Hello students, good morning. Once again welcome back to our online teaching of St. Thomas School Mahua. Myself Nimisha Mehta. Dear students, we have finished in our last lecture Unit 11 Adverbs of Manner and Adverb of Time. Today we are going to start our new topic Adverbs of Place. Do you know adverbs that change or qualify the meaning of a sentence by telling us where things happen are defined as adverbs of place. An adverb of place always talks about the location where the action of the verb is being carried out. Do you know? Adverb means tells us more about verb. Adverbs of place are normally placed after a sentence's object or main verb. Do you know main verb means action verb? Adverbs of place. What is an adverb of place? Adverbs that change or qualify the meaning of a sentence by telling us where things happen are defined as adverbs of place. Some instructors refer to these words or phrases as spatial adverbs. No matter what they are called, these adverbs always answer one important question: where? These simple rules for adverbs of place will help you to use them the right way. An adverb of place always talks about the location where the action of the verb is being carried out. Location means place. Adverbs of place are normally placed after a sentence's object or main verb. Adverbs of place can be directional, for example, up, down, around, away, north, southeast. Adverbs of place can refer to distances, for example, nearby, far away, miles apart. Adverb of place can indicate an object's position in relation to another object: below, between, above, behind, through, around, and so forth. Many adverbs of place indicate movement in a particular direction and end in the letters word or wards. For example, towards, forward, backward, homeward, westward, eastwards, onwards. Examples of adverbs of place. Each sentence contains an example of an adverb of place. The examples are italicized for easy identification. As you read these examples, you will notice that some of the adverbs of place contain more than one word. So, put the cake there. Put the cake here. So, they mention place where we keep the cake. Understand? After a long day at work, we headed homewards. Please bring that book here. My grandfather's house is nearby. So they mention how long this distance, how much its place. Okay. Now we go as per our textbook. Adverbs of place. An adverb of place tells us where an action takes place. Some adverbs of place are here, there, everywhere, somewhere, inside, outside, near, far, above, up, down. Understand? Okay. The children are playing upstairs. Where are the children playing? Upstairs. So, when the question starts with where, we have to mention with adverbs of place. Here they given exercise E. Circle the correct adverbs of place from those given in brackets. Jaipur is far from Delhi. Here they given distance between the Jaipur and Delhi. Is there anybody inside? She gestured her pet dog to come near. I saw Veena going somewhere. I have looked for my missing keys everywhere. So, I hope you understand the adverb of place. Now we go over another topic, adverbs of frequency. An adverb of frequency tells us how often an action takes place. Some adverbs of frequency are seldom, usually, sometimes, always, etc. Sri is never late for school. How often is Sri late for school? Never. Choose the correct adverbs of frequency from those given in brackets and fill in the blanks. We see this exercise, then you can understand how we use this adverb of frequency. They are best friends and they always go to school together. This is one of the driest places in the country. It rarely rains here. We celebrate our sports day annually. My father is very punctual. He always reaches office before time. Aditya doesn't like cycling. He seldom cycles to school. I never wanted to be an engineer, but my parents forced me to study engineering. How often? Never, seldom, always. Okay, understand? Next exercise. Rewrite the sentences replacing the words in red with suitable adverbs from the strip. When they mention rewrite, then in exam also, in test also, you have to write full sentence using these adverbs of frequency. Very frequently I go to the park alone. I often go to the park alone. I drink a glass of milk every day. I drink a glass of milk daily. Dia has not been to Amsterdam every once. Dia has never been to Amsterdam. Once in a while, occasionally. My father hardly ever. My father seldom. So as per that sentence, we use this adverb of frequency. Here also, I show you that table. I always go to school. So, which subject and that adverbs of frequency? How we use, we understand. An adverb of frequency describes how often an action happens. There are 6 main adverbs of frequency that we use in English. Always, usually or normally. Often, sometimes, rarely and never. Okay children, I hope you understand this adverb of place and adverb of frequency. So write down these exercises in your notebook and complete your fair book with PDF. Okay children, thank you.